Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's Cons Vlogs. We're back with another video, you guys. Today's video I am super duper pumped about. Let me go ahead and turn on a light really quick so I can show you guys. So, if you guys remember out at the roll races, I was using my GoPro 360 on the top of my car to get that footage. I have been waiting for this piece of equipment to get here. It was supposed to be here before LS Fest, which was back in April. So yeah, it's been a little bit. Finally got you guys. We ordered a Mobin Mounts 360 GoPro mount, and here it is right here. So you can see here it's carbon fiber. You got a really nice carbon weave here. It's got two suction cups right here. So this one obviously goes on there, and then you can adjust it where it's at, and this one's just at the end right there with the little pumps to suction it down. Tonight, hopefully, we are going to be sticking that on the back of the car and getting some footage of it. I can't wait to see how it turns out. We are gonna throw on the mount right now and see how that process goes. Okay, so I think we've got it on there right. I mean, this thing, dude, it's locked in. I mean, it is locked in. I'm pulling on it right now, it's not moving. Hopefully she doesn't move, but these suction cups are really nice. Everything's super high quality. Again, we ordered this from Mobin Mounts. Should be sick. Next up, we just gotta put the GoPro on, and hopefully it's back far enough. Okay, so I think we got the GoPro on where it should be. We have to line that up with the pole to make the pole disappear. So what I'm gonna do is use my cell phone, my iPhone, hook up to the GoPro and see what it sees. Well, it should be showing. Oh, here we go. Oh, so it's upside down. But I don't think you can see the pole. It is upside down though. I'm gonna go flip the camera, I think. And there we go. So now it should be good to go. Let's go for a little drive here and see what it's like, shall we? All right, so I can see in the preview that it tilted a little bit because the pole is showing up. So if you have it lined up perfectly, the pole will disappear. So we're gonna get it lined up right now. Well, in the midst of all the fun of Mexico, not only did we pass 60,000 miles on the SS, we also have a check engine light. All right, so we're home in the garage now. Check engine light is still there. Let's see what this thing comes up with here. Throttle, actuator control. Okay, so if you guys remember, when I was out at LS Fest, I actually got this same code. All I ended up doing was messing with the throttle body wire connector. Ever since I installed the new throttle body, this will happen occasionally. Pretty much I unplug the connector, plug it back in, code goes away. I don't think it's anything serious, but you know, it is what it is. Race car problems, right? We'll figure it out, but I'm actually gonna go review the footage that GoPro picked up, and then I'll come out and mess with the throttle body. Well, you guys, I just reviewed the footage. The GoPro didn't pick up any of the audio. So, I mean, here is a short little clip just so you guys can see the view at least. Yeah, no audio, but we're gonna bring it out later. It's raining right now, and the 360 I don't think is waterproof, so we're gonna wait for it to dry up. But the mount held up great. I mean, this thing is freaking sturdy, dude. This thing is ridiculous. Yeah, so this is the wire I'm talking about. It's just this harness right here that plugs into that throttle body right there. So it's a common problem. I'll just make sure it's on, wiggle it a little bit. I'll clear the code, and then if it comes back, I'll try popping it off, cleaning it out, putting it back in. But boys, we are on our way home from the gym right now. The roads are pretty much dry at this point. We're bringing out the GoPro mount tonight. Let's go. We have got to spray off the car before the meet though, because that rain was a little bit nasty. And luckily I ceramicked this thing. So we're gonna spray it off. We're gonna go home, get changed, and then yeah, we'll meet up with the boys for the meet. But I come home and this guy's beat me to it. Look at this disrespect. Jeez, man, I mean, this thing. I love that car a lot, but you know, I love the SS too. Soaking up good with the chemical guys, Hydro, I think it's called Hydro Suds, and then Coatic Labs special ceramic soap too. She is good, she is looking nice, so is the Caddy. Unfortunately, the Caddy's not coming tonight, but the SS is, and she is sparkling nice. And we're back. We got the mount in the back, we got the GoPro in the back, we got the camera, and we got the SS, baby. And we're running a little late, so we're gonna meet up with the boys, and then we will throw the 360 on. I absolutely love driving this car. Literally in love with this thing so much. The sound, the power, the build quality, everything, man. It's just so good. It's so nice. Gang's coming out. We got Keenan the Veloster, the SS, Mitchell's Miata. Travis brought out the Supra tonight, baby. Yeah. I'm serious, dude. The Subi's cool because it's like built. But dude, the Supra's so sick. I mean, look at this thing. And then the 1LE. Freaking dude. How do you not like a 1LE? You know what I'm saying? Lineup's looking fire. I got the mount on the back of the SS for the drive up there. It's gonna be sick. So she held on and she stayed straight up that whole time. So hopefully the footage turned out. I'm gonna check it on my phone right now to make sure it picked up audio this time. This thing right here is just cool. I mean, GT4s are way cool. If this one's a manual, I think I'd rather have a PDK. If I had a Porsche, I don't think I could skip out on the PDK, but that is such a sick car, and he autocrosses this thing like regularly. Hey, rev it, rev it!
I'm a skid, faggot.
Dude, it's so... That's so sick.